Chad, it is Tuesday and we are still in the Asia range. We like Asia so much we decided to stay inside of the Asia range. Even Bonang is currently stuck in Asia. We're trying to get him out of there, but he is still stuck in Asia. China, to be exact. They took his phone and the police asked him what did they look like. If you don't catch that, don't worry about it. Don't even worry about it. Rooks, I think that went over a few guys' head, but that is fine. Oh. China, China, China. Hey all, we have a birthday loading. Amina tomorrow. Chad, there you've got it. Amina, one of the foundations of this channel. So make sure to give Amina some love tomorrow. I think Amina is turning 29 tomorrow, if I'm not mistaken. She tried to marry old. That's why Nazam is quite a bit older than Amina. But even Nazam aged well. He looks 32. So one more year for Amina, then it's the big 3-0. Alrighty, Mo, you're bringing back the light for us. You know what they said in Genesis? Or not they. Give me the white light. Give me the white light. No. Yeah. Alright, that is beautiful, Mo. What did God say in Genesis, Mo? Let there be light. And what happened? And there was light. Correcto. Alright, Chad, it still looks like Bonang is currently stuck in China. China. They're trying to put some tariffs on Bonang. But I guess we can get things going here, Chad. Is everyone alright? Everyone good? Boot camps are for people that wake up early. No recording of the boot camp. Gotta wake up early. Gotta wake up early, my brother. That 750 Rand a month is not gonna get you out of bed on a Saturday. Unless you've got a very good excuse why you can't wake up on Saturday at 7. Because I woke up and there were, I think, 32 of you that woke up. So 750 Rand unfortunately is not going to kick you out of bed. So that's why we do it early. Alrighty. You can tell the G's in the G's chat. 750 Madiba rants is not going to get you out of bed. Alrighty. We stayed up after morning prayer. There we go. If I can be ready, and I consider myself to be quite busy, and I've got a family, and I've got responsibilities over a weekend, I think most of you can make the plan to be up at 7. So no boot camp recording for you if you were still in bed. Alrighty, Chad. I don't know where Bonang is. We're going to start without him. Pray for Bonang for punctuality. Gotta be punctual, Chad. Alrighty, Chad, let's get going here. We are going to start off this session. As always, we are going to start off with a prayer. So let's bow our heads, let's pray here. Father, I just want to thank you for another day. Thank you for bringing us all back safely this afternoon. I pray for your wisdom, your guidance, your insight as we go about this trading session. I pray that this session will be blessed. I pray that your hand will be over it. Also pray for our families, our kids, our businesses, our homes, our communities, our country as a whole. Father, you say in your word that if we shall humble ourselves and return to prayer, that you shall heal our land. And that is our prayer today, Father, that you will heal our land, our country, and everything in it, Lord. And above all else, we pray that we will glorify your name through what we do, trading, that we may empower, impart, and really change lives, just not only in a financial sense, but spiritually, mentally, and all over South Africa as well, to make an impact. And we pray this and we ask this in your wonderful and powerful name. Amen. Amen.
Amen.
Do we have an amen?
Amen. I came late. You have already prayed.
Oh, Bonang, you gotta be on time, my brother. You gotta be on time. Time is money, and money is time.
Yes, sir.
Gotta be on time. All right, Chad, let's get going here. We're gonna check what is happening on the economic calendar. Let me just see, why is Bonang's cam not showing there? There it is, it's back. All right, as mentioned, we only have only some US data coming out. We had some durable goods, non-defensive capital goods coming out a little bit better than expected. Housing starts a little softer than expected. Consumer confidence coming out in the next 52 minutes. And later on, we've got Governor Macklem speaking. So it's relatively straightforward sailing here for us for the rest of the session, unless Trump cooks somebody else. But Chad, DXY on the daily, still stuck in this range. My trading view is a little bit laggy. I don't know why. Let me see if I can kill some of these other... Yo, why is it so laggy? Okay. Anyways, we are currently stuck in this daily range. We took a previous daily high, rejected. There's that zone we mentioned this morning. If we cannot get through it, we will most likely continue bearish. Hope you guys are taking some notes here. And bearish, we did continue. So now for me, it is a big thing of what is going to happen around this 200 EMA. And that's going to set the trend for the rest of the session. We could push into that POC and then continue lower. What is happening here on Chad? Give me a second. Yo, this PC is struggling. Bonang, maybe just join. Okay, you can't even hear me. Chad, give me 1 second. I just want to get Bonang back on the call here. Okay, which team is this? This is a different teams. Bonang, my brother. Okay, Chad, just give me a sec. Lost Bonang there. We still have 20 minutes, so don't stress. All right. All right, Bonang is back. Bonang, sorry man, we lost you there for a minute.
Yes, sir.
All right, sorry Chad, we are back in action. Okay, US 30, let's look at US 30 on the daily. Okay, Chad, as mentioned, still overall bullish for me. I am expecting maybe today or tomorrow for this to start turning bullish. I do expect a little bit of a deeper pullback into that zone that we marked out, that daily zone right there. That is where I want to start getting into some longs. Currently, we are still within the Asia range. There's that 4 hourly level we marked out a little bit earlier when somebody asked us how do we mark out levels. That is your 4 hour resistance area, currently holding our support, so we could even start that move to the upside starting now. But however, we are going to need to get through this little zone. Okay, let's just make it a different color here. This zone right here is going to determine what we do for the rest of the session. Okay, this area right here, if we start to break through and above that, we are going for Asia highs and into that daily flip Asia high area. Very, very simple. So we're going to monitor that. NASDAQ. I don't know if you guys remember this morning when we spoke about NAS and we said if we hold that previous daily low area, we can still continue bullish. And bullish, she continued. Okay. We marked out a zone here and we said if it breaks above there, that is a good idea to then start going long. Order flow is then starting to go bullish. Rejected at the daily flip level. So currently this is your area that you need to monitor. All right, previous daily low, beautiful, still holding 200 EMA, currently rejection. I am going to say I might be looking for shorts on NASDAQ and US 30 if we can't hold above that daily flip or Asia high level. Asia low is still firmly intact. I want to target those lows. Same with US 30. I want to see if we can get some potential shorts from there. All right, daily flip, Asia highs. Then we're going to target Asia lows. Gold. Gold is doing gold things, Chad. If you are trading gold, I respect you. Please send me a DM so I can personally send a nice little prayer for you. But gold taking previous daily low and a previous daily high. Rejecting both. So we did say if we cannot get through this level here, your daily flip and your previous daily high and your point of control, it can go short. That was maybe an entry there. There was maybe an entry there for the shorts, but overall gold is just still chopping here. DAX, beautiful. DAX holding that daily level for the last 7 days. How many days is it? Oh, no. There's the other daily level. So we held this lower daily level and we are currently rejecting this upper one. So remember last week this area held as a very strong support and now we are currently rejecting it. So I potentially want to look for some shorts from there if we continuously reject this previous daily low. So that is what I'm going to be waiting for. Maybe one more dip in there and then a nice little short ski into the lows. Otherwise nothing there for me. And then last but not least, where's the FTSE guy? Mr. FTSE, there was a nice trade for you. Asia lows. I don't know if the FTSE guy is still here. Calling Mr. FTSE. Are you in the chat, Mr. FTSE? Please come to the front desk. Please come and claim your profits now. But Chad, with that being said, Bonang, that is my rapid fire analysis. Still nothing much that we're looking forward to, but I know Bonang is cooking here a little bit. So let him cook, Chad. Over to you, my brother.
Thank you so much. All right. Overall, there's still no changes on my side, Chris. Still the same trade. We are still holding on to the the NASDAQ. This is the NASDAQ screen that you are seeing. Market went a bit deeper, did not reach our TP, went back up. The thing that I didn't like about this market is the fact that we closed inside the range. That means there is likelihood of this price looking for a high from the low. So this is what I would have expected, at least closing outside this zone and then hitting our TP. That's what I would have expected. Nevertheless, at this point of time, it's either stop loss or TP. That's basically how we are on this trade, holding onto our trade. There are no changes at all. Still in the bakery there. Let's see. Jumping to US30, still again there are no changes. There's nothing that we have changed. Market dipped in a little bit, rejected from this gap here. After filling this gap that happened on Friday, market then rejected, going back to the zone, and then still back to our entry, our sell entry. We want to see price not going inside that range. You know what that means? If we go inside that range, it means this market is likely going to rally all the way upward, right? All the way from where it's sitting there, this market is likely going to rally all the way to that key zone there. So basically, that's it. I'm still holding on to my trades, not closing it again, holding these sales. I'm still expecting or hoping that this TP can be reached today. So basically, that's how I am, Chris. I don't have any trade on gold, like I said. Your prayers wait. I'm not entering
No,
any
no, you
trade
must
on gold
delete.
at all.
We must delete it. You
Not
just
yet.
analyze it and you look at it.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Alrighty, Chad. There we have it. Somebody saying at least running in profit, currently short on gold. Somebody taking notes here from this morning. Chad, I made a post about how to make R1 million a year. And I think a lot of us sometimes forget. Why is this thing not charging my phone? No. Oh, there we go. What does it work out to? It works out to 165 Madiba rands per hour, 4,000 rands per day, 20,000 rands per week, 80,000 Madiba rands per month. Gets you to $1 million. So when you put it that way, it's not that difficult. A 0.02 or a 2 lot on XM gets you there. Leave gold to the real traders, the one that lasts longer than 90 days. Hey, Brian. Chad, when are we going to do a potty with Brian? I think we need to do a little podcast with Brian. Let me know, Brian. Nothing serious. We're just going to chat a little bit. Check if you can scrape some time out there. And then me and Jexy. Let's lock it in for next week, Jex. Next week, pop me a WhatsApp. Let's lock it in. I'm going to put Jex and Brian on here. Jex.
Let's go.
Jexy and Brian. Let's get it going. Kribo, when is the final challenge for the chat? Ruan, I must just chat to compliance, my brother. I've got an idea what I want to do, and I'm just waiting on compliance. You got to note that Vault Funder is a regulated financial services provider, and we still need to comply with the FASE Act, and we still need to comply with all of the regulatory frameworks that is set out by the FASE Act. So as much as I've got good ideas, compliance is always telling me, Chris, those ideas are good, but from a compliance point of view, it is not so good. Jexy, you let me know when you want to do it. We must get Brian on. Brian, I'm going to pop you a WhatsApp. We'll do a lacquer one with Brian. We'll do one with Brian. And even if we're lucky, we might get Plamena to show face as well. It might be difficult, but we are going to try our best. Bonang, the chat was stressed that you are still stuck in Asia because price is currently stuck in the Asia range.
They must not stress. They mustn't worry at all.
It's stuck in Asia range. Do I need to buy a Shure podcast mic? Nah, Brian. If you've got a MacBook Pro, you don't even need a mic. The quality of the MacBook Pro, or even AirPods, a guy like yourself, you'll have at least the AirPods 4th gen noise cancelling. So that should be perfect. Compliance. Hey man, compliance has held me back on a lot of things. Sometimes I feel like compliance just want to like use their little iron fist. Even though I'm very aware of what the compliance framework looks like and I know exactly what is going on there. Sometimes they just want to just throw a little bit of power around. I don't know if you've seen, if you park somewhere, the security guard runs all across, hey sir, you can't park there. And I'm like, no one's parking here ever. It's like a kilometer away from, you can't park there. I'm like, alright my brother. I got Bose Ultra open earbuds. That's perfect. That's perfect. All right, Bonang, what do you think with the open? Chad, what do you guys think? US 30 goes up first, then down? Or down and then up?
It's possible that we may rocket up US 30 or rocket down. It's a 50-50 chance for me, but I then choose to go with the downward side.
I've got a very weird feeling we're first going to do this, Chad. I've got a feeling we're going to do this.
First, Bonang chased Sianda away. Now, Brian chased Julia away.
Who's Julia?
I wonder.
Was there a Julia, Chad? What did I miss? Was there a Julia? What did Chad? I don't know anything about a Julia. Chad, what do you guys think? First up, then down, or first down, then up? I think up first, Bonang.
Yeah, I'm of the down first.
You want the down
but it's
first?
It's a very scary option. The downward one. It will be by God's grace. Let's see.
I wanted to go up because I want to short it from Asia highs. That's why. Oh, Chad.
5 minutes to go.
Germain Thirte. Currently struggling here at previous daily low. Let's see how it opens up. It will melt down first, pump, then dump. Now it seems like everyone is confused.
Okay. If you check the chart of US 30, this thing has been dumping since yesterday. So all this is a very clean range to the up. So these guys are likely going to take over from here all the way to the PRB there. Just look at that, looking like it to the top. But I'm not going for those buys. I'm choosing to be sliced like a chicken.
Let's ask Nazam. Nazam, tell us, what are you doing? Let Nazam kindly note that these streams are purely for educational and entertainment purposes only. We do suggest that you consult with your local financial advisor before making any financial decision. And without further ado, Chad, we've got 3 more minutes.
Others are saying the market will open bullish.
Where's Nizam, Chad? Nizam. Hey Brian, we already have him on a retainer for him and Amina to say good things on the stream, so it's not easy getting these these reviews. I'm kidding.
Stay strong and hold.
Okay, Chad, let me look here what I think. I think up first. I think up first and then down. Quick little pump up and then a big dump.
Yeah, which means you and the bullish guys are winning. Or most of the guys are saying bullish, 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 bullish.
I've got a buy from here. I don't know if you guys saw that post today. That post was actually me holding the US 30 buys. If you go zoom in on that second picture, I'm in the buys from there. So that range after we failed to go lower. So I'm break even from there after taking Asia lows.
Higgs, send us the cracker, please.
And I literally have my TP set there, just above these pre-market. I'm gonna give you guys the cracker, okay? But don't tell Keegan. Wait, let me see if Kigo sent it. Okay, but
someone says, if everyone is saying it's gonna go up, it's a side is gonna go down.
Okay, I see Keegan. Don't tell Keegan. I don't even know if my cracker is correct because Keegan's got quite a few iterations. He always keeps us guessing, but I'm gonna tell you what the cracker as I have it. Okay.
Smoothness.
So the cracker, if we close above there, sell. And if we close below, wait. 45,251. Okay. Those are the two cracker levels. So I've got it as sell. If he sends me a message and it's like, bro, the cracker's actually looking for a buy, then I'm going to be like, hey, Kigo. I don't know. Then okay, so let's call this the Timo cracker. Okay. Chad, markets are open and in motion. Let's get ready. Ding, ding, ding.
Round 1, fight.
Let's see.
Okay, 1 minute.
Here we go. NASDAQ pushing, pumping up.
Okay, let's see what the,
US 30 declining.
see what the crackerito is gonna do here. Chat, so these are the cracker levels. So if it closes below there, we're selling. If it closes above there, we are selling. The crackerito is looking for sells. Okay, let's see. It's teasing us.
Give it 4 minutes. 30, 31, 32, and 34. Let's see.
Okay, let me get my phone ready to trade the Timo cracker. This one was shipped all the way from Shein, actually, in cooperation with Timo. They did a collab on this cracker play.
See what NASDAQ is doing to me there. Skyrocketing.
Yeah, the thing with NASDAQ is that previous daily low, it failed to hold below it. So, but I think there at the daily flip, Bonang, it could go down. But that previous daily low was always going to be a toughie to get through. Okay, US 30. Let's see.
NASDAQ not looking good for me.
Okay, Crackerito. Hey, so the cracker is looking for a sell there. Cho. Let's see. Wow. Okay. 6 seconds. Or let me just close this other one quickly. Okay. Did I miss it? Okay.
Price has not reached our stop loss. It's still running. Did it hit your stop loss? It did.
Okay, I'm in the short.
Powers is still running.
Let me just.
Still running this one.
Chad, sorry man, I'm in shorts there. This is the Timo cracker. Kindly note that the Timo cracker should be traded with much care. May the Timo cracker produce something good here for us. Okay. Don't tell Keegan we traded the Timo cracker. I'm just going to delete it if we lose. Whoa, what is this? It's a family show, yeah. This is a family show.
You see, SL is almost into this side.
Alright, Chad, will we make Kigo proud? Or are you guys going to go there? Keegs, you got to teach Chris the cracker. Alrighty, Crackerito. Rooks, did he post the cracker? Let me check there. He is man down 6, so. Ooh, cracker. I've got a weird feeling he's going to tell me, Chris, what prophetic cracker are you trading? You trading version 1. We're already on version 44. Okay, let's see it. Alrighty. Okay, they're at about 40. We are gonna go break even. Alrighty, Chad. This is where we're gonna go break even. Oh my goodness. Go break even. Fat fingering this thing. Am I break even? Oh. Okay. Came literally a few pipettes away from take profit. I am break even. So let's see. You guys can kindly send Keegan a message. Okay, don't send him a message now. We're not out of it yet. No messages yet. Let's just first smack that TP.
If we survive this NASDAQ, it will be by grace. It was almost one. How many pips away from the SL? Chai. Funny. You see, almost the stop loss didn't hit. We reject. Let's go.
Okay, let's check. Come on, US 30. Currently holding at 200 EMA, chat, so could actually run into that upper zone we marked out.
Survival of the fittest.
Or this thing can just flush. Let's quickly see what NAS. Oh, there's NAS. Beautiful. Into that zone as mentioned. US 30. Alrighty, chat. There we go. As mentioned, I was expecting a little bit of a pop into that level. Beautiful rejections there. What is gold doing? Gold back in that zone up here.
It's fine in this NASDAQ. Very, very fine. It's 23.
Yo, what aggressive music is this? Sure. Okay, currently rejecting that previous daily low. Chad, there is a very high no, there isn't really a high possibility of that because Asia highs are untapped. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this 60 if we get it. But very likely we'll hit break even. We've seen with the cracker, it takes usually around about 2 minutes for it to hit TP. Currently holding at 200 EMA, so I think before this can go lower, it wants to go higher. What else is there for us? Yo, why is it struggling so much? Asia. Chat, sorry man, I didn't even see it was choked. Timo Cracker hit break even, ladies and gents. That is a break even on the Timotheus Cracker. Came 5 points away from TP. Break even has been hit there. Bonang, let me just check if I can bring your camera back. Just join that Streamlabs link again. I don't know, Streamlabs is acting up here. Timo Cracker, stop loss. No, my brother. I think you need to get your ass checked, but it was break even. Just join that Streamlabs link. Let me just send it quickly. Alrighty, we are in Chop City again.
Network is misbehaving.
No, I think it is Streamlabs. Just check your WhatsApp there. The Kribo Cracker was BE, nice attempt. The Kribonaki. Okay, let's see.
Still refusing.
Wait, I've got you back. Alright, Chad Bonang is back, ladies and gents. There we go. Okay, then as goes quite a
We want to see how it will flip in there, this NASDAQ.
Alright, daily flip, Asia highs. Now she can go for Asia lows. Chad, next 25 seconds, I might go short here on US 30. 15 seconds. I will let you guys know. Stops. Oh. Okay. Alright, Chad. I took a short here on US 30. Took a short ski there. I'm going to go with about a 60 stop here. See if she can follow NASDAQ down. Could be the case where they go opposite again. Yesterday, NAS going up, US 30 going down. Could have something similar here, but that is the trade. It's going for a 1-to-1 here. Alrighty, there we go, chat. A little 1-to-1 here. See if we can get a quick little scalpy in here. Previous daily low. Currently price not holding above it after multiple breaks above it. Closed back below the previous daily low. And let's see if we can get a nice little rundown here. That is the idea. See if we can get a nice little trade ski in here.
Let's go. NASDAQ doing its thing.
Alrighty, NASDAQ on its way to Asia lows. Daily flip holding nicely as resistance there. DAX. Give me a second here, Chad. Remember, I want to get into some
to see how this price reacts when it gets to these keys on here. If it breaks it, then we're in for it, my guy.
Okay, US 30. DAX, did we take Asia low on DAX? I think we did take Asia lows. Oh yeah, Asia lows. Yeah, no. No. Yeah, no. Alrighty, US 30. Pumping here. Pumping. See what US 30 is doing. Okay, 10 minutes. NASDAQ. Oh,
Up and down, up and down.
back in that zone.
Imagine. Do you see what this USD NASDAQ is doing, man? Very, very fun.
German 30. Chad, I want to short this. Previous daily low, however, no top wick on the daily. Asia eyes untapped. Daily flip untapped. So US 30 it shall be. Currently holding this previous daily low. A little bit of a sideways track here. NASDAQ doing the same. Big bounce off that previous daily low, but let's see if we can get a nice little push into the lows. It needs to take either Asia lows or Asia highs, but one of them shall be taken. One day, That's making you work for that trade, Brian.
Yeah, I did add another trade. I have actually 2 running position on NAS. Unfortunately, you see NASDAQ is misbehaving. I entered another trade there, so 2 running trades with an open SL, no stop loss running on my side. So I want to see how that will go. Back again to that entry. That's where I took another second trade there. I want to see how that goes. It's very, very tricky, Chris. It's a tricky situation, this one.
No, it's just it's chopping now. Chad, if we start breaking above there, this thing is gonna run. Oh, there she goes. That was
Look at that. Come on. So that previous close is calling for price. This one here. See the reaction that this market does when it's running from the low. So we have a total of 1 minute.
They gotta wait till I bring all my guns. All right, chat. Get a Streamlabs. I think it is Streamlabs. There, it broke again. Wait. Chat, sorry man, it's not the Wi-Fi, it's Streamlabs. I updated it. But I don't know why it is doing this. Let me just keep a close eye on it. Chat, apologies for that. Apologies, I don't even know how long we were off there. I'm still in the shorts. At this stage, it is fair. The reports again, Bono. Move your head.
On my side.
Quickly
Looks
show,
like I'm moving.
show your hand like this. I just want to see quickly. Quickly, I just want to see the lag go like this.
Yeah, now I'm too short now. I can't go up like that.
And then clap. I just want to check the lag quickly. Clap. Hey, Chad, look at Brian clapping for all of you guys.
So I'm not frozen. I'm still in here. Move your head. Come on, US30. Do your thing. Decline. 2 minutes to the volume.
All right, Chad. So if you are uncomfortable with the position and for some reason you enter with us, this is your time to exit. I've had a very decent day, so I just took a tenth of the profits on this. Oh, that's lagging again.
What's that, NASDAQ?
I wonder if it's this layout that we've got, but we'll see. US 30, 40 seconds for the volume. Here's the thing, I want to exit, but usually what happens when I exit Burang, the volume comes in.
If we wait for 4 o'clock, Chris, 1 minute from now, there will be volume.
15 seconds. Yes, what is this? This is horrific candles. Chad, we are currently holding that. I don't even know what this formation is, but we'll see. Consumer confidence coming out. Okay, not showing anything. Yo. Chop City. Choparara.
Chris, Choparara. Choparara.
Chad, I don't know what to say here. If you were buying here, you're not wrong. If you were selling here, you're not wrong. All of us are right. It's just
if you are out of the market, you are accurate.
You are very accurate because this right here is this is disgusting. What is NAS doing? Wait.
It wants to fly, Chris. It wants to fly.
US gold. Chad, are we still? Yeah, just give me a heads up every now and again. I want to just check the chat. US 30.
It seems like we are still here.
I still like the sells on US 30. I still like the sells. I feel like US 30 needs to come into this zone this week.
It has to come down.
Yeah, I feel like it before it can go high, it needs to go into that zone for us.
But you see the buyers, you're the one guys who say this market is going to go up. There you are winning there. Where are the buyers? They opted and voted for buys here. Where are they? Reveal yourselves, guys. My true trades right now, I'm breathing like, yeah, I'm suffocating. This NASDAQ, it has put me in my place. Hey, Mo, what are you saying? He says, brother, what are you saying, Mo?
Oh, Chad. Oh, this is incredible. I just love it when the market chops us a little.
Someone says I was buying it, but I over leveraged. Sorry for that. So it was boiling and it boiled with your money, unfortunately. What is more saying? I also have 2 trades. Bonang, Lord, we have faith. NASDAQ is just causing me to breathe like, but it's fine. What can I do?
Heavy breath.
Yeah. Someone says we blame more for this price action. Boy, I'm good, my brother. How are you? Are you well? Why would you talk to me of all the people on the chat? Why would you say, Boda? What's wrong?
Hey.
Boy.
I bought at previous daily low in US30 and closed 60. Beautiful. Look at it. I don't know what to tell you, chat. This is like I said, I was in the bars from there. Closed the nice, I think it was 110 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, just short of 110. Cracker missed by 5 and currently just have this running. So
If you see how much the price is sliding between my initial stop loss and my entry, you know that, yeah, really this week is not mine. Sliding inside there.
chat, I'm just gonna run to the bathroom quick. I'll see you guys now. So let's see how this 5 closes. If this 5 closes bullish, I'm just gonna call it kill the trade there, because we are currently holding that 200. We're holding the previous daily low, and like I said, it's very likely I'm not gonna buy here, but I will kill this trade here.
Go past.
Hey, wait, it wants to keep us in. Now I'm out. Chat, I killed the trade there. Yeah, it's not moving, so I killed the trade right there.
Those who can enter NASDAQ sales now, they can be very much safer, smoothly. Which trade did you just execute, Chris? I had cook there.
No, I was closing my shorts. I closed my shorts there for -10 because we're not breaking back below the 200. We're not breaking back below the previous daily low. So that is not good. So I'll wait for something to break in here. If it breaks back in there, but for now, I don't want to get stuck in this. But usually when I close, the volume comes, so.
Can you imagine? What kind of life is that? Trading is not child's play. If your mentor promised you that you're going to make millions in a day,
Okay, let's see here. Oh, we're still online. 1 2 1 2. We're still here. Are we still here? Sell US 30 now, Jack and Son. Hey, did we lose Bonang? Oh damn, Chad, we lost Bonang. Alright, I'll check if Bonang joins again. Chad, there's nothing here. There's honestly nothing here. Dollar index still currently holding below that 200 EMA as we made. Point of control 200 EMA. US 30 just chop city here. I do think it can still play out to the short side, but it's just overall chop. NASDAQ taking the low, taking the high there, so a little bit of a manipulation move here. Daily flip here. And I do actually think that if we get through this Asia high level and we can hold above there, it could go long, but you know, I'm not a guy that longs Asia highs. And then gold is just continuously bumping its head against this level. German 30, I would love for that daily flip just to be tapped, something like this. And then I want to short it, similar to yesterday. Yesterday we took Asia lows. After taking Asia highs, around about the open time, we just collapsed. So that is what I'm hoping for. I think that's the only one we can really trade now. US 30. We need Thor's hammer to bring in the volume. I just want to check what is happening with the stock names here. Let's just check what is on the high and what is on the low. So Texan, Instrumental, Nvidia. Where's my beloved Tesla? Okay, flat on the day. Oh, still relatively muted here. Okay, is Nas ready to do something here? Chris, you only hold tech stocks. No. I've got the only individual name I'm currently holding is Tesla. I sold out of my Nvidia for a 50% gain a while back. I showed the chat we were at the yearly R1. Right here, we popped above it. There, I sold out here, just above that yearly R1. This thing can go now. If it holds above this yearly R1, I might even get in again. And then Tesla is right at the yearly pivot. Tesla is right at the yearly pivot. I'm going to show you guys now. Just want to answer you quickly. Tesla is currently at the yearly pivot, so I want to potentially add some on my position. I'm only up about 10% on my Tesla. I entered around about here. So I'm currently up about 10%, and I'm also expecting Tesla to reach the yearly R1, so another 43% gainer there. My brother.
This electricity just shut off.
Oh, shiver. Okay, no stress. We'll see you in the morning.
Alright, it's fine.
All right.
It seems like, I don't know what's wrong. It seems like it's only my house. There should be a fault somewhere. But they're fixing it.
Okay, no, appreciate it. Thanks, my brother. I'll see you in the morning. Oh, yeah, having prayer tomorrow morning.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Okay.
Past the 7
Yes. Okay, perfect. Thanks, brother.
Thank you,
Alrighty. Yeah, so Tesla currently at that yearly pivot. I want to potentially add some positions there, and then the other names I hold is QQM. Holding Vanguard Total Stock Market Index as well, and then I've got DJIA. I've got a little bit of SPY in the portfolio as well, and there was one other one that I've got. It's not SPYD. Charles Schwab Dividend Equity Fund, but that one, I don't know why I'm in this. This thing is, it's not moving, but I've got quite a big holding on it for the dividend. I've been holding Palantir since 20. I don't know when to close. Conan, look at your yearly pivot levels, my brother. That is usually where I close. So, for instance, last year with Apple, closed out Apple. Okay, last year the yearly pivot was there. Your R2, closed it out. And that's all you do. You look at your yearly pivots. If it's holding above the yearly R1, on the weekly, you can go for the yearly R2, but always remember to pay yourself. The only stock that ran is CAT. I just want to show you from where I was in. This thing is still running. Because remember, markets don't go up in a straight line. So, for instance, here, you're at the yearly R1. There's nothing wrong with selling. Look at the previous year. I think this was the yearly R3. It came through the yearly pivot, went to the yearly S1. So that's how you establish your targets. Stuff like the QQMs and the DJIs, those I will hold for into perpetuity till I need to sell out of them one day. They I won't sell, but individual stock names, tracking funds I won't sell out of. But individual stock names I will sell out of. I hope that well. If I wasn't on for that, I would have sold gold from. So I'm just sticking to them. Oh, it's a strong word. The horror dropping a young P-bomb there. Was taking off my knee there with that P-bomb. Conan, let's quickly look at Palantir here for you. What is the ticker on Palantir? PL. I will, if I was holding it. I don't even know what the company does. Palantir. What do they do? Where is Palantir? What does the company do? I don't even know. But let's have a look for you, my brother. Alright, Palantir. Alright, you're already at the yearly R3. Massive rejection. If I was holding Palantir and I saw this right here, that is me done, out of it, cooked. If I show you, but again, please don't take this as financial advice. If you look at Nvidia, I'll wait at least for like a 38.2 retrace, even a 50. But again, that's just me. Where is Palantir leading Nvidia? Oh no, Nvidia is leading. If you look at Tesla, when Tesla went parabolic, this was Tesla's bull cycle, and it came all the way back to 75% retrace before the next leg up. So nothing wrong with taking profit, my brother. Also, you can't hold a stock like that into perpetuity. I would say if that was me, I would take that money and put it into some tracking funds. DJI, QQM, get some Vanguard for you in there as well. The total stock fund. But that is me. That is not you. You shouldn't listen to a thing that I say. They build software, yeah. Dan, I keep it simple, my brother. I've done the individual stock pickings. I've done all of that, and on average, I would beat the index funds by 5 to 10%. But in the long run, all of that work to hold individual names, not worth it. Absolutely not worth it. The ideal life is where you can get to a stage where your dividends basically pays you your income for the rest of your life. You don't touch your stock, your dividends pay you, and you live off the dividends. I almost fell on my back the other day when I worked out what I need to have an investment holding to earn what I want to earn. So to get a dividend of R500,000 a month, take a guess how much you need to have in your investment. Take a guess. Work on around about 4% dividend annually. 150 correcto. Lawrence, sorry, my brother, I can't see if you're not a moderator. I can't see links. Why so much chop, Chris? Hey, my brother, this is secondary market structure. After that massive move we had on Friday, it is just normal for the markets to go into secondary market structure. So basically exactly what we had here. Nice little pop and then consolidation pop. So markets are setting up for the next move up. So it's just a case of all of this is secondary. This is corrective. So either tomorrow or on Thursday, I think the markets can start to move. But NASDAQ is moving nicely. I actually think NAS can start to run now. It's only up 0.1% on the day. But I'm not going to buy it Asia. It's not for me. Fizzy bubble. I'm just waiting for German 30 here. I'm going to give it 5 more minutes. I need to go pick up my washing. So I'll give it 5 more minutes. Then we can check to potentially enter a nice little short here. Just want to see that daily flip reject. And then I want to jump in short here. Oh, that is a side name. Okay, beautiful. Market 24 o'clock. Market 24 o'clock. Let's have a look here, my brother. Alrighty, Chad. Lawrence sharing something here. Beautiful. There you go. Some of you guys asking. NYSE Toronto. Lawrence, thank you for that, my brother. I'm going to share a deal with the chat if they want to get it. Is the stream chalked again? Why can't I share? Error, try again. Oh, I can't share a link. Chat, are you guys still there? Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Are we still here? So, Chris, do you teach one-on-one? Mandla, I do teach one-on-one. But I charge 250,000 Madiba rands for one-on-one. $250,000 for one-on-one. You can ask Brian. Brian booked 5 sessions at 250 Rand a pop. Not because he wanted 5 one-on-ones, he just wanted to flex. Only 100k. But it's buffering. Oh, chat, I don't know. Streamlabs is, I'm just going to check it out tomorrow morning before stream. Brian booked out the classroom until next year. 250 G's. No, I'm kidding, my brother. No, I don't do one-on-ones. One-on-ones, unfortunately, is not going to be possible as much as I would want to do one-on-ones. I think the closest you're going to get to a one-on-one is if you join Project G and we do the boot camps on the weekends. There I will sit with you. You've got me for 2 hours, and you can ask questions, because most likely the question that you want to ask, someone else also wants to ask it. So I can only be with you in a group environment. And if I had to give you an hourly rate for my time, I don't know if anyone is willing to pay 5,000 Rand an hour. No, Dara, I didn't catch it to the upside, my brother. I just caught the shorts this morning from there. I'm still overall bearish on it. No, 10 million, Kachecha. If you've got 10 million Rand to invest. I'll do a session with you, but if you've got 100 million to invest, then you've got me on speed dial. Calling it quits, it's like watching paint dry, yeah. Chad, I have to go fetch my washing. I don't think it was a bad session. Potentially caught 50 there. Closed out this short. I think we would have hit stops if we were still in it. NASDAQ, as mentioned, if we start breaking above it, could run. I'm not going to buy it from there. Unfortunately, that's not my style. And then gold still there. German 30. Really just wanted that tap into Asia highs rejection. But anyways, you don't always... I think this is me just being greedy. It's been a very decent day. But yeah, Chad, that is it. That is it for the day. Please don't get yourself into trouble. Call it a day. You're not missing out on anything. So when I end the stream, close the charts, call it a day, and we go again tomorrow morning. I think from tomorrow morning and Friday, things are going to start eating up. If you destroy your trading account before Friday, when the actual volume comes, it's going to be a very terrible feeling. So with that being said, Chad, I will see you guys in the morning. I'm going to be a little bit late. I've got a meeting with the accounting team at 9 o'clock. And then straight after that, I will be with you guys. Chad, stay safe, be blessed, and we will see you guys in the morning. Peace and love, baby. Cheers, cheers.
Picture my side as a movie, huh? Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like loose leaf. Bitchin' by my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat. My side is a movie, huh? got that blue cheese. Blue cheese. I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese.
I wanna take you somewhere, you know I care, but it's so cold